आज हम करने वाले हैं ग्लास पेंटिंग। पर पहले मैं इसको अपना जो डिज़ाइन है वो बना लूँगी इस बॉटल के ऊपर विद मार्कर। ठीक है, सो रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई टुक दिस बॉटल and some glass liners over here, glass liners. Okay, so here I'm going to use black and golden both together. You will see how I'll use later. And one marker for making my design on the bottle, and few more things we need, but that I will shoot later. First of all, we need to we need to take time for drying the outliner. Afterwards we can fill it with the colors, right? So requirement for now, we need a water, this glass bottle, marker, and these outliners. So let's start with the design first of all. Okay, so I took this rough fabric as well so that I can clean my hands, and I can clean if something is wrong over here. I can clean that as well, but I took permanent marker so that my design will not be removed. So let's start with the pattern now. I just simply I'm taking some flower design over here. So I'll start now. Let's see, we'll start our work from
start.
And sorry for delay, for after for long I was not able to make video because I was busy. So now I came back, and let's start with the work now. So let's start with the design. First of all, I'm just going to start with the design only with marker, and afterwards I'll put outliner on it. Okay, so let's start. So randomly I'm taking my design. So I'm going to make a design from here. As I told you, I'm making a flower design over here. A simple flower I'm making. If you have patterns or already a stencil kind of thing, you can use those as well. I love to work like this freehand, so I used freely my marker here, so that I can flower this way. And here these lines I will put. This is how I completed my design over here. Now I'm going to do outline with outliner, with glass outliner. So let's start. First I'm going to use this black outliner. Afterwards I'm going to use golden, and sometime I'll use silver as well. Okay, so let's start with the outliner. Let me check it's working or not. Okay, so first of all I need to prick this from here so that I can use this easily. You can. Let's start. I'm going to start with this part first. So very softly you need to press, gently you need to press your tube, because if you press it hardly, so color will come in the see, this way you have to press very softly, don't press too much. Softly you can do outline purple inside. If outline is not thick, your color will drip down. And there is one technique which you need to always follow with glass colors, because they are very liquid in form. So you can do one thing. First, one pattern should be completely dried, and then you have to work on another pattern. Otherwise your color will spill, and your design will be destroyed, right? You can see the same pressure I'm giving, but sometimes the color is breaking down in between. and because of that I'm not giving proper finishing to it. Anyhow, I'm using these colors first time. Let's see how it will work. I bought them online. See, again it breaks in between. So first of all, I'm just completing this flower only because I need time for drying this. Double outline I'm doing. Now I'm doing outline with golden color. The outer part of this. I think there is a air inside the bottle, so that's why maybe the color is breaking down in between. Otherwise I'm giving same pressure. This way we'll finish it out. Sometimes it works well, but sometimes it breaks down. Golden color is better than the black. It works smoothly. So this way I'll put golden outline on my all over the design. और इस तरह से मैंने अपनी गोल्डन आउटलाइन भी पूरी कर ली है इसके ऊपर. थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा इसमें कि जैसे कलर्स के बीच में बबल्स हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपका जब हम आउटलाइन करते हैं आउटलाइन में ब्रेकेज हो रही है. तो ये विच आई नोटिस्ड. आई डोंट नो जब आप करोगे आपको कैसा फील होगा, आप किस तरह से करोगे. आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट इट, बट व्हाट आई फील, जब आपका प्रेशर भी इक्वल है, प्रॉपर है, तब भी बीच में जो कलर ब्रेक हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ एयर इन द कलर. इस तरह से हम अपने फ्लावर्स के अंदर कलर्स फिल करेंगे. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं पहले मैंने आउटलाइनर से आउटलाइन किया, और जैसे ही आउटलाइन प्रॉपरली ड्राई हो जाए उसके बाद हम इसमें कलर फिल करेंगे. आप चाहो तो ग्लास कलर ऐड कर सकते हैं, चाहो तो आप एक्रेलिक कलर से भी पेंट कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर. मैंने जो थोड़ा सा कोशिश की है, ये ना तो ग्लास कलर्स हैं ना ही एक्रेलिक कलर्स हैं. मैंने इसमें फोटो ट्रांसपेरेंट कलर्स को फेविकोल के बीच मिक्स करके ऐड किया है. देखते हैं, लेट्स सी हाउ द रिजल्ट विल कम. अभी तो ये अच्छा ही लग रहा है, बट आफ्टर ड्राइंग आई विल सी हाउ इट विल कम्स आउट. क्या है कि जब हम फेविकोल इसमें ऐड करेंगे तो फेविकोल जो है वो ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाएगा. कलर मिक्स करके एक थोड़ा सा, एक तो शाइन आएगी, सेकेंडली जो आपका कलर है वो सिर्फ पिगमेंट रह जाएगा, और कलर जो है फेविकोल जो है वो ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाएगा. तो मैंने इस टेक्निक का यूज़ किया है. लेट्स सी हाउ इट विल कम. इस तरह से हम सारे फ्लावर्स को कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. मैंने ऑरेंज कलर यूज़ किया है, आपकी मर्ज़ी है आप कौन सा कलर यूज़ करोगे, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसका जो टोन है वो ड्राई होने के बाद बिल्कुल अलग होगी. थोड़ी सी डार्क टोन आ जाएगी। तो इस तरह से मैंने इसमें कलर ऐड कर लिया है। The leaves color. Filling this color into my leaves. And you can see the result. This is how it comes out after drying. It's beautiful, na? Now same way I'll check my green color as well, how it will turns after drying. But this is the process which I need to follow in this. Again I use photo transfer color. So same way I'm using green color as well with Fevicol and photo transparent color. We'll see how after drying how it will come out, the green color. But yes, orange, you can see it's beautiful, no? It turns out beautifully after drying. So now I am using green color into my leaves. I am putting thick layers so that it will come out nicely and beautifully. As I told you, with Fevicol the color will be shiny, so you can see the result here. It looks beautiful in it. See, this is how I completed my bottle. As you can see, I used these glass colors in it, and then I used a fairy light inside. Now you can see how it looks. Isn't it beautiful? You can do more work in it, it's up to you. I like this much only, so I worked this much. आप भी इस तरह से काम कर सकते हैं. And you can see I use some glitter pens on it, glitter outliners basically. And photo transparent colors technique, I told you what I did. I used Fevicol and photo transparent colors, and then I used this, and you can see it gives a glass color effect only. Thank you.